welcome to another edition of Hrmtv. My name is Alberto. Thank you for joining. Today I'm going to be talking about promotions. How do you get promoted at work? Everybody wants to be promoted. Everybody joins an organization so they can see themselves growing from one position to the other. That gives you a sense of growth, it gives you a sense of development. So how do you get promoted? How do you get that promotion so that you can move to the next level while at work? So we're going to be running through a few things today. So what is promotion? It's an advancement of an employee from one job position to the other. And that sometimes commands a higher rate of compensation. You either get a higher level or you even get more responsibilities. So there are some things that you will need to do to get promoted. First thing, set and communicate your career goals. Your manager needs to understand how your personal career growth fits into that of the organization. So there should be some alignment. The two should go together. Whatever you desire for yourself should be almost similar to what the organization performance trajectory is, or the goals that the organization wants to achieve. So the two to go together. So as you are growing happily along your own line, the organization too should be growing. So be a team player. You must show that you can get along with your teammates. Nobody wants somebody who brings conflict into the team, unhappiness into the team, strife into the team. You must get along with your teammates. You must also get along with your supervisor. You need to show that you're learning new things. You might take personal trainings, you might take online classes, you might even join a structured class in the formal way, but show that you're learning. Learn new things on the job, learn new things outside the job. The final point is make sure you're networking with the right people. Network with people internally, network with people externally. Find somebody who you can act as your sponsor internally. And even from outside, people can sponsor your promotion as long as they can show that you are ready to take on the next level of responsibility. So get promoted at work. Try these few tips that I've given you, and I'll catch you in the next episode of Hrmtv. Hrmtv is powered by Joy's Projects. Thank you for joining me today. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.